Hey gorgeous, these are the new Essence makeup products from the holiday collection Wish Upon a Star. We are going to be reviewing all of them and they are looking amazing. Essence has sent me all of the products and we have also done some very cute videos for the Essence YouTube channel. All of the products are cruelty free and vegan, and let's start with the eyeshadow palette. We have a velvety finish for the packaging. It is super adorable. I am obsessed with the color story and you can create a lot of eye looks with these eyeshadows. We also have some star-shaped pans. They remind me of my childhood. When I was younger, I was watching the Care Bears and they had some stars on them. I think it is exactly this star. We have 3 matte eyeshadows, 4 shimmery, and also 2 that they are like matte and satin together. These 2 eyeshadows, when you apply them with a brush, they look on the eyes like a matte eyeshadow, and if you apply them with your fingertip, you're going to see like a pink sheen. The formula is very interesting and easy to apply on the eyes. The shimmery eyeshadows of the palette are absolutely stunning, and you can also use them as highlighters. The colors are super beautiful. You can also mix some of the eyeshadows and create your own highlighter. The shimmery eyeshadows can look very nice with a brush or with your fingertip, however you want. I have used this blue eyeshadow on my eyelid, also this beautiful shimmery one in the inner corner, and it looks stunning. It is very reflective. We have 3 matte eyeshadows. They are very easy to blend. In the swatches, you're going to notice that they have a little bit of sheen, but on the eyes you're not gonna see that. On the skin they look very soft. I think this palette is great for the holidays, also after the holidays. And then we have a brush duo. Yes, you don't see any brushes here because I have used them and they are super dirty. In this set you can find a highlighter brush and also an eyeshadow shader. The eyeshadow shader is exactly like the eyeshadow brushes by Essence. I think I have one here so you can see how they look. It is exactly the same shape. We just have a different design, which is absolutely fantastic. We have this beautiful ombre effect on the handle. It is very easy to hold it and do your eye look. Essence brushes are very durable. The bristles are very soft for both of the brushes, and this one is the highlighter brush, which I never use for my highlighter. I'm always using it to apply bronzer and my blush. It has the perfect size for my cheekbone. You can also squeeze the bristles and apply the highlighter. You can also use these highlighters. They are super stunning on the skin, and you can find highlighters for all skin tones. I applied a lot. I have done some videos with Essence brushes. I'm going to link them in the description box below. And let's go to the lip balm. This is the Wish Upon a Star Caring Lip Balm. The packaging is like a diamond and this is how it opens. Ta-da! This one is very easy to hold in your hands and apply on the lips. It has a very light scent of vanilla and it gives a very nice glossy finish to the lips. It is also hydrating, and what I like is that it is very lightweight, so you can hold it in your purse. They always design the prettiest lip balms. And after that we have the Soft Body Shimmer Dry Oil. This is a signature packaging by Essence. We have seen it again with primers and also foundations. We have a glass jar, also a pump that makes it super easy to apply this dry oil. This one is fast absorbing and it's not sticky at all. It gives a very light glow to the skin and it makes dry skin look hydrated. It has some very fine gold micro glitter and they are very pretty because they are not in your face. They are not big chalky glitter. About the scent, it is almost scentless. It has a very light scent of vanilla. It smells nice. You can also mix it with your body lotion if you want. Moving on to the Wish Upon a Star nail stickers. We have 57 very beautiful designs. They are self-adhesive and they are super easy to apply on your nails. So you just need a wooden stick and then pick the design that you want. Press on your nails, apply top coat and you're done. Super easy. Here we have the pH Reacting Lip Glow in the shade Kisses Come True, and this one is a pH Reacting lipstick. I love it and it goes very well with the eyeshadow palette as well, as you can see with my eye look. It gives a very nice natural glow to the lips and also a pink tint, which is different on everyone. I have used this one on my lips today, and as you can see, it gives a neon pink color to my lips. The color depends on the pH of your lips, so that means everyone is gonna have a different shade. I think it has a soft strawberry scent. I thought it was vanilla, but now I can smell strawberries. In this collection you can also find the Beauty Sleep Pillow Mist. We have 150 milliliters. This one has a very fine mist and also the scent of lavender and oranges. The scent is not overpowering and you can also use it as a body mist or air freshener. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite product of today's video. Mine is the eyeshadow palette, the brushes, the lipstick, the lip balm. Basically the products for the eyes and the lips. You can watch next the Essence Advent Calendar. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!